can blank you or Lisa take me to the station? Either, both, neither. Listen carefully, guys. When we say either someone or the other, it means one of them, only one. Maybe this one, but not this one. But when we say both someone and the other, it means the two of them, this and this. And when we say neither something nor the other, it means none of them, not this and not this. And remember in the test, when you see or, choose either. And when you see and, choose both. And when you see nor, choose neither. Here we have or, so the answer is either. Can either you and Lisa take me to the station? And it means only one of you will take me to the station. Maybe you and not Lisa. You can blank eat nor drink in this place. Here we have nor, so choose neither. And it means not to eat and not to drink. None of them is allowed in this place. Can you answer this one? Blank, John and Lisa were invited. Remember we have and here. What's the answer then? Well, follow this rule and answer. I have 3 sons and I love all of them all. Listen guys, sometimes we use all with of, and sometimes without of, just all. We say all of them, but if there's no of, we put them here, them all. Now repeat after me. I love all of them, I love them all. I love all of them, I love them all. All of them all. And you can also say all of you, you all. Here we have all of them, and it should be all of them, so it's wrong. Them all is correct. I love them all. I saw 2 bags, but I didn't like of them. Both of them, either of them. Both comes in a positive sentence, either comes in a negative sentence. The sentence here is negative, so we use either. I didn't like either of them. And it means I didn't like any of them. I saw this bag and I saw this bag, but I didn't like this or this, so I didn't like either of them. If I liked this and this, I would say I liked both of them. You answer this one. My dear followers, I love all you all of you. There are 2 correct answers here. My sister and I always help ourselves or help each other. Here I say my sister, here she is, and I, here I am. We help, I help her, and she helps me. Here we say we help each other, or we help one another. We say this when each one does the same thing to the other. I help her, and she helps me, right? This is also when we have bigger groups. Like here, we say they help each other, they talk to each other, they play with each other, and so on. So the answer is each other, or one another. You answer this one. 2 police cars crashed into one another or crashed into themselves. So here are 2 cars. This crashed into this, and this crashed into this. So follow this rule and answer. I like speaking with me, or I like speaking with I, or with myself. Listen guys, when the subject of the sentence, this first word, is the same as the object, if they're the same, we use here reflexive pronouns. With I, use myself. With he, use himself. With she, herself. We, ourselves. You, yourself, and so on. So the answer here is myself. They enjoyed at the party, or they enjoyed the party. Which one is correct? Okay, focus with me guys, because in English, the verb enjoy is followed by what? Enjoy what? Not enjoy where. At the party is where. You cannot say they enjoyed at the party. You need to mention what exactly they enjoyed. They enjoyed the party. Still confused? Let me tell you something. Enjoy is followed by what? Like you enjoy the party. You enjoy the holiday. You enjoy the weather. You enjoy music, and so on. And sometimes you enjoy doing something. And here you follow enjoy with ing. You enjoy watching TV with ing. You enjoy listening to music. And if you get stuck, don't know what to say, you can enjoy yourself. I enjoy myself, and so on. These are the 3 rules of the verb enjoy. Now answer question 2. She enjoys blank to music. Listen, listening to listen. We said here that enjoy is followed by ing, so listening is the correct answer. She enjoys listening to music. You answer this one. I blank at the weekend. I enjoyed at the weekend, or I enjoyed myself at the weekend. Well, follow this rule and answer. And remember, enjoy is not directly followed by a place. You have to say enjoy what? Thank you for watching.